Could you risk the life of one child to save
The Expos power their way to a sweep of the Phillies.
Nissan Maxima, both more horsepower.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry if the audio sounds a little weird. My microphone battery is dead, so going off the in-camera audio right now. So hopefully it's not too bad, but welcome to the channel. We've got a video for the NB Miata today. Finally, it feels like it's been forever since I did some modifications to the Miata. Remember the 2021 goals video that I made saying that if I see something I might pick it up? That is exactly what I have today. So this right here is a G Racing shifter. It is really high quality. It's a short shifter made for racing, and I'm not like racing this car all the time, but I do love a good short throw shifter, and that is what we got today. It's a pretty simple design. I opted for the shorter knob on the top to kind of match the Tomei one that I already have. And so this is actually for an NB. I spoke with the company. They're a small company. It's like you can't even order online. You got to call the guy. Pretty good prices though. So I told him I had an NC 5-speed and that they were working on it, and they saw that the NB one should fit. And I'm not super familiar with it, but we're gonna see if this fits today. We're gonna have to do a little modifications to the shift boot so it can get around this. But otherwise, 3 bolts in and out, maybe throw in some new trans fluid just in the top to top it off. Otherwise, let's get started. Quick comparison of the old and new shifter. So the ball of the shifter on the new one is right here. So you can see that the length is a little different. It's raised up within this little shell, and definitely a little bit taller. So should work out pretty well. I just did a little test fit and I think it's going to be good. So now all we got to do is just throw this guy in and test her out. So this is for sure going to take some getting used to, but this is a super short throw shifter. It feels really nice in the hands. It feels beefy, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's going to probably take me some getting used to find the gears and everything, but I mean, it feels super good. So, testing it out on the street, I'm sure it'll be a little different. But man, this is a nice piece. Fits in perfectly. It's nice and solid. And now we can just throw everything back together. And as I said, I think we should be able to fit this boot over the top just fine. Obviously, I can't do it one-handed, but I'm going to throw the interior back together, and then we can wrap this video up. All right, interior is all back together, and we've got our G Racing or GR Racing shift knob and shifter combo, and this thing is so sweet. I'm super stoked on this. It feels really good, really sturdy. You can put it in and out of gear just fine. The shifts are so short. It's awesome, and I got to retain the boot. It's a little quirky looking because I had to shorten it and I zip tied the bottom of it, but you know, not that big of a deal. It looks fine, just a little wrinkly on the top. Otherwise, you know, everything's still intact, and it's a subtle addition to the interior that, you know, people are gonna look at and be like, dang, what kind of shifter is that? But here it is, guys. G Racing shifter. So that's gonna be it for this video. No driving, it's kind of a crummy day out today, so I'll do some testing later on this week. and then you guys can take a look, and I'll show like a sample of it. I'll do like a short little sample video of the shifter working, but I'm super excited to try it out. I love the way it feels, love the way it looks. So G Racing is where you can find these. Like I said, you can't order them online. You have to contact the owner. So if you are interested in one of these, be sure you go check it out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.